Hey guys, it is Chef Alan with Good Plant Life, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a big ol' batch of fresh beans. Let's go. You want to start off with 3 cups of dry beans. These are pinto, and we always soak our beans overnight, but you want to do that for at least 6 hours and then drain. Next, add your soaked and drained beans to your pot and start chopping up some fresh garlic to throw in the mix, along with a little bit of cumin and chipotle powder and about 7 cups of filtered water. You want to go ahead and bring it to a simmer for about 40 minutes on medium with the lid slightly ajar. After that time, you can go ahead and add some salt and pepper to taste and cook for another 20 minutes, adding water as needed. And you've just made an amazing batch of beans. Now these are going to be added to our yummy vegan tacos today, but beans are not just for Taco Tuesdays. We actually try to add 2 to 3 servings of beans every single day to our meal plans for optimum health. If you'd enjoyed this content and want to see more, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.